Hello everyone. Now we want to graph some complex numbers in the complex plane. A plus bi is represented in complex notation. A plus bi is equal to z. So it's a denoted point, A or B, or it can also be represented as a vector from the origin. A is denoted as the real axis, the x component. B is denoted as the imaginary axis, the y component. If you haven't learned vectors, you can just denote A as the real axis for x, and B is the imaginary axis for y. Why don't we plot some examples? Now, negative 2i is drawn down below in the complex plane. z1 is equal to minus 2i, so 2 is going 2 units downward in the negative direction. Now for B you have 6. Go 6 units right in the positive direction. z2 is equal to 6. Now for negative 1 plus 3i in part C, we can rewrite that as z3 is equal to negative 1 plus 3i. It's going 1 unit to the left, 3 units upward. Now in part D you have 2 plus 4i, which is in the first quadrant. 2 to the right, 4 going upward in the imaginary direction. Now for the last part, negative 1 minus I, that's in the third quadrant, both parts being negative. Negative to the left, negative downward. That is z5. Note, complex numbers don't exist in Cartesian coordinate system, because Cartesian coordinate system, those numbers are real. Now, they only exist on the complex plane, represented as the argon diagram. Easier way to identify z notation is also can be written as real component plus I times imaginary component. The x component in the diagram is rez, and the y component in the complex plane is known as mz. I hope this illustration on graphing complex numbers helps out, and keep plotting complex number points. Till then.